After receiving feedback from you guys about the video details and duration, by the way, thanks you all for participating in the survey. This video will be longer to see more knowledge for beginners. If you're new here, you can check out my other video too. Today we'll continue describing the figure through the key action method, focusing on capturing the figure and motion lines, instead of getting bogged down in unnecessary details such as anatomy, fabric flows, accessories, and so much more. This method helps build body movement, understanding the subconscious library, rather than just copying pictures. In the beginning stages of drawing, do you find drawing people too difficult and frustrating? The internet has endless information, so we gotta learn how to filter it. If the figure is your main goal, focus on the core of the movement or gesture of the figure. Key action is a method of sketching human figures that artist Chung Dong has researched and developed from synthesizing many sources and condensing them into. Advantages of key actions: quickly cultivate an image library by focusing on the overall shape, know how to start and reconstruct a pose quickly and accurately. When proficient, you can build a complete pose with just a few strokes. Key action is a combination of 4 elements: gesture, live action, mainline of shape, object structure, 3D structure of an object in space, which we will analyze more in the next video. Now we will go deeper into first 3 parts. People can simply understand it as using loose sketch lines to sketch a movement of a human figure that has emotional and gestural meaning logically. Analysis of important keys in gesture. Live rule SCIs: S curved line, C curved line, and I straight lines. Rule asymmetry. This rule is based on the flow of water. The lines crisscross each other to create an infinite flow. Not stopping there, if you apply them to sketch it, the object or thing to draw will be expressed in a more dynamic, interesting, and liberal way. You can understand LLA as the line describing the movement of the part, including the proportion of the parts, the amplitude of movement, the line of movement connecting all the parts together, and the general logic of the image. To approach this concept, you need to understand the basic proportion of the body from 7 to 8 heads. When you first start, approach this basic human proportion. In addition, we have other typical body shapes such as idealistic, fashion, heroic, etc. Note that each person's body is different based on gender, body type, fat or thin, and age, so please refer to and research many other sources. When you understand the above knowledge, you have already gone 60%, but the remaining 40% will be very important, so don't forget to add it to your knowledge. Amplitude of important parts. Each part has an amplitude different movement. Weight balance logic. Balance when drawing human figures. Don't let the pose fall or tilt. A smart tip for everyone is to use your own body to imitate the pose correlation that everybody is drawing. You will clearly feel the amplitude and center of gravity, helping the drawing become more logical. Of course, you will need to practice a lot. Besides observation and skills, drawing tools are also very important. Therefore, I will introduce you to a drawing tablet from HUION, which I used to create this video. HUION Kamvas 13, then 3, a new teammate for artists, from beginners to professionals. If you are practicing sketching figures or key action, Kamvas 13, then 3 is the perfect choice. With Pearl-like technology, it offers a supernatural feel, making every stroke as smooth as on paper. It has some outstanding features. Pentic 4.0. The 𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗀 pen requires only 2 grams of pressure to draw a line, support ±60° tilt, and has 3 customizable keys. Super smooth drawing and fast operation. Canvas glass. Anti-glare matte glass surface like real paper, with less glare and more precision due to the reduced gap between the pen tip and the cursors. Accurate color. Delta E less than 2, covering 99% of sRGB and Rec 709, ensuring accurate color on all devices. Lightweight and flexible. Thanks to HUION for sponsoring this video. I will leave the product link below. Remember to click to explore more. Mainline of Shape, also known as MOS, is a line representing the shape of any object. Let's try a small practice on how to capture the simple shape of the following object. My turn first. I will give an example. Look at these wraps. Squint one eye to see the overall shape of the part. And now it's the turn. Look at these wraps and count to 3 seconds. Let's continue to do it 2 or 3 times. Surely everyone has begun to understand how to capture shapes quickly. Okay, next, we will practice the MOS exercise. Go back to the shape we just drew. We will redraw the shape that we imagine in our heads. Try to optimize and reduce the number of lines to draw as few lines as possible, but still create the shape with the characteristic feature of that object. After practicing this exercise consciously for a short period of time repeatedly, you will thoroughly master the skill. Now that the pieces are in place, let's put them together to practice the key action method. Step 1. Identify the flow lines. Step 2. Determine the body parts according to the head proportions, including shoulders and hips, in the form of the line of actions. Step 3. Determine the shape of the body parts, arms, legs, upper body, hips, thighs, etc. Apply the main line of shape. Note: main line of shape is determined depending on each artist's perspective to visualize the body frame in the most optimal way. From the shoulder to the elbow, Thumb determines the main line of shapes as a bone axis. From the forearm in the shape, Thumb will take an edge to make the main line. Step 4. Create the complete human frame, including all the elements of the character, proportions, range of the motion of the parts, action lines connecting the parts to make the movement coherent and continuous. Ta-da! You've officially got a super fast pose practicing skills in your pocket. After watching this far, have you realized that you have spent a lot of time practicing the wrong way? Focus on the main goal in your practice phase. Especially in this video, you have learned how to practice posing in an optimal way in terms of both efficiency and time. With a short amount of time, but results are many times more than 80-20. So practice more, the quantity is enough, the quality will increase. Besides, our studio currently offers a beginner sketching course that prioritizes this mindset. The course also introduces an exciting new learning method, Bngartassistant, allowing participation even with a busy schedule. Students will create an account to track their progress and skills with stats that change daily based on actual results. The Bngartassistant course includes a development roadmap for beginners, guidance from mentors, a point system similar to a game, monthly student rankings with rewards for the top 3s, rich learning resources, community connection and support. Don't hesitate to message us even in the middle of the night. watching. Remember to like, share, and comment to let us know which topic you want to see next. See ya!